Yes, now we are going to cover the second question. Write the following sets in the rooster form. You remember what a rooster form is? A rooster form is a type of a way to represent a set. So like the another name for rooster form is that listing method. Listing method. Okay. So it's gone really down. Just a minute. Listing method. Hope you are able to read my text. So if you remember listing method, I'll just put an example over here. Let's say z is equal to a set of natural numbers from 1 to 5. So this is how we write with a comma delimiter. We put a comma separating the natural numbers. So this is a kind of representation which we read in the sets last time. So I want these methods. So this is basically a set builder method in the way the first question is written. So the question is to convert the write the following sets in the rooster form. So convert the set builder form, the way set builder form or the rule method to a roster form. So let's attempt the first one. I'm writing the answer over here. So as and when where we require, I'll just clear off the space over here and we'll put the answer over there. Okay. So now A is equal to, you remember how to read this? Yeah, A is equal to set A is equal to X such that X is a month of the Gregorian year not having 30 days. So X is a variable. It's a variable in which it is asking to put the names of the month which are not having 30 days. So you need to basically put all those months, represent all those months in the listing method using this method, using the listing method, and to show the months which do not have 30 days in them. So let's find out which are the months which don't have 30 in them. Okay, so let me represent A as a set, and then I will put now so Gregorian calendar. Okay, so we start off with January, which is having 31 days. I'll just write January, February, March is again 31, May, then June, then July, August is also again 31 days, August, October, December, okay, so this is a set where X is a variable and you have put each month in the variable X and formed a set which has all days which are not having 30 days. They are having either 28 days, which is either even Feb, January, Feb is also another sorry about this, Feb is another element in the set. So you have January, February, March, May, July, August, October and December as the set. So just understand the concept. Here X is the variable, and based on the clue that we want months in the Gregorian year not having 30 days. So I have taken 2017 as the year, so not having 30 days. So these are all the months which will have not have 30 days. Okay, so either they'll have 31 days or Feb will have 28 or 29 days based on the leap year, and March, May, July, August, October and December will have all 31 days. Now let's take the second one. I'll take the pen from here, the color. Okay, now I'll take the second question. Second question, it reads out as set B is equal to Y such that Y is a color in the rainbow. Okay, so B is a set. I need to write this this is a set builder form. I need to write it in a listing method form. So as we deciphered earlier, Y is basically a variable, and I need to, this is the clue, the color in the rainbow. So there are how many colors in the rainbow? Basically 7 colors, namely violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So our set basically in the listing method becomes B is equal to violet, indigo, blue, green. So the listing method, as you remember, they need to be separated, each element needs to be separated with a comma, which I am putting. Green, then yellow, orange and finally red. Okay, so this is our set using the listing method, where B is equal to all the 7 colors in the rainbow. Now let's take the last question, which I'll be doing, the third question. C is equal to x such that x is an integer and minus 4 less than x less than plus 4. So here try to understand, we are going to build a set using the listing method. Capital C is equal to, so x is a variable over here, and this is our clue. Basically it's an integer. X is taking a value of integers, and which are in between, this x is basically in between minus 4 and plus 4. So we basically have all these numbers: minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, all the way to 0, then 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So we have all these are integers. One of the criteria, which is x is a variable and x needs to take all integers only. So that means all these numbers are elements which are elements of an integer, okay, and they lie in between minus 4 to plus 4. So all these are from minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are all integers, and they lie in between minus 4 and plus 4. Now the only thing I want to point out here is there is a small glitch over here. Here, if the condition would have been less than 4 or equal to x, then minus 4 could be included. Now since it is only less than minus 4, I cannot include minus 4 or I cannot include plus 4. So the actual set, proper set which forms from C is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So we are eliminating minus 4 and 4 because it is not equal to. If it had been equal to, then the first set would have been right. Since it is not, this is our actual set and this is the answer for the third one. Just try to understand the concept out of it. And there are two more exercises, questions in the fourth and the fifth. I want you to answer those. Put it in the comment section below. I will revert back on the same. All the best, and let me know if you are not able to answer them. I will put the answers in the comment section with an explanation in my in another video for you. Thank you.